Let's make the perfect cocktail for summertime. We are making a delicious Sangria de Cava, and I now always make it when I'm having a party, and it is such a hit. My name is Alyena, and today we are shooting in beautiful Balboa Island. And if you want to see more of Balboa Island, keep watching until the end of this video. So to start making our cocktail, I had to pre-blend it as I'm on the water right now and I do not have an outlet to blend. So in here I have 3 cups of mixed berries. I use raspberries, blackberries, strawberries, and blueberries, along with about 2 to 3 cups of orange juice. And then you just blend this together until it is smooth, and it's almost like a really delicious smoothie, and we add some champagne to it. I love this recipe because it's so easy to make and it comes together really quickly. And traditionally you use cava in this, but I couldn't find cava, so I am just using some dry champagne. Okay, let's pop the bottle. Opa, there we go. I like to do a 50-50, so 50% of our fruit mixture and then 50% champagne. Give it a little shake. Okay. And now we can top it with our champagne. Ooh, it looks so good. I will say there's hundreds of recipes out there on how to make Sangria de Cava, but this is one of my favorite because you get so much fresh fruit in it. So now I can just blend this together, stir it together with my spoon. Oh my gosh, so good. And what I love about this drink is it's so easy to make. It comes together in just a few minutes, so it is perfect for those summertime parties. And traditionally you don't serve it in this large of a glass. I feel like this is more like a goblet sized glass, but all of my other glasses broke in transit and this is the only one that survived the trip, so we are using it. And you know, I love a big drink, bigger the better. So now the best part is getting to taste our delicious Sangria de Cava. I have to say, this is absolutely delicious. It's perfectly sweet, and I recommend not using a super sweet champagne because you already have the sweetness coming from the berries. And it's so good, and it is perfect for those summertime parties. So please let me know if you try this drink and what you think in the comments down below. And now on to part 3 of our Balboa Island series. Balboa Island is a very patriotic community, and you will see a lot of American pride by the amount of flags flying everywhere. It was wonderful to see the strong community spirit while watching the 27th annual Balboa Island Parade. The bridge and Marine Avenue are shut down and everyone shows up to celebrate.
I wear a 10-gallon hat.
Did you know that Balboa Island is really 3 islands and the 2 largest are divided by the Grand Canal? And before ending this video, I must say to keep your eyes open for mermaids because Once Upon an Island performs magical mermaid transformations for many of the little girls that are visiting the island. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next Sunday.